Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Airtable and archive your LinkedIn job tracker, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Airtable, first, locate the application on your device. If you are using a Windows PC, access the control panel. Navigate to Programs and then select Uninstall a program. Find Airtable in the list of installed applications. Click on Airtable and then choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, open the Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate Airtable in the list of applications. Drag the Airtable icon to the trash. Empty the trash to finalize the uninstallation. Now, let's move on to archiving your LinkedIn job tracker. Open your LinkedIn account in a web browser. Locate the Jobs section from the top menu. Click on Manage Job Applications. Here, you will find your job tracking information. Export the job data by taking screenshots or copying the information. If you want a more organized method, consider using a spreadsheet. Create a new document in Excel or Google Sheets. Paste your job application details into the spreadsheet. Include relevant information such as job title, company name, and application status. Once you have organized the data, save the document to your computer or cloud storage. To further archive your LinkedIn job tracker, consider saving the document in a dedicated folder. Label the folder clearly for easy access in the future. Now you've successfully uninstalled Airtable and archived your LinkedIn job tracker. You can revisit your archived data anytime for reference or future applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.